I joined Miss Cook Islands last year, and this one girl in particular, she got on the stage and they asked her a question. So what's your favourite Cook Island dish? The round one. Meitaki. Yeah. I was very much involved in the fashion industry for 4 years, and then I extended from that to just moving into doing some bar work. Obviously, was on a track where I didn't know where I wanted to be, and so my grandfather was he was here back and forth quite a lot from New Zealand and the Cook Islands, and I wanted to follow his journey and see where it could take me, so now I'm here. When I first moved here, I went into working in the environment, so working with our marine environment. Of course, that's all about sustaining the environment, looking after what we have. And then my grandfather passed away and I built my small business called Nuku Kai, which is a reflection of my lineage and my last name backwards. Kainuku, which means eat tribe. Turn that around to make it tribe eat. So it's bringing people together in times of kai, or whether it be in times of planting. You can make so many good dishes out of what we have. Even using the banana leaf to use it as a surface for what we've got that we create here. I didn't steal it from nobody.
Put your hands together.
With Nuku Kai, I use local produce, so I use our fish that's caught out in the moana, and then I use our land vegetation as well. And I cater to our tourism business and also to our local people, and I sell it at the Muri night markets 3 nights a week. And then I deliver it around to the island to our local people who are at work, who can't leave work or don't want to leave work to get kai, so I drop it off and deliver it right to their doorstep. I feel it's really important to create Indigenous produce and to plant it as well, because climate change is such a big issue here in the Pacific, and so I feel it's very important to be planting, sowing seed into the soil that gives back to us. So it's a reciprocation, I feel. It's about giving back to the inua, the moana, everything that revolves around the elements, because we're a part of the growth that goes on with it.